So welcome back to my channel. In this video you're gonna see me dyeing my hair that everyone was talking about on my Instagram. So it's gonna be a two-part video. I hope you guys love it. Let's go.
To the top off, I'm dripping like.
So what you see here is me showing you how I sectioned off the patch at the front of my hair. Like, I wanted that to be a little bit lighter, so I didn't include that in the rest of it. And here are my bundles. So I got my bundles in 222s and 220s. So to watercolor your hair, you're just gonna need a plain like plastic bucket full of hot water. You want it to be hot water just because the color won't take if it's not hot. Do you get what I mean? So you need to make sure that the water is hot enough for the color to stick onto the bundles. So the colors that we're going to be using today, well, initially it's royal navy, but what I would recommend if you're going from the color I got, I would recommend you to buy blue black, because when you watercolor hair it does come out a little bit lighter than the initial color. So you just literally want to put the dye, put a good amount in, and then mix it around. You want to mix it around so the color looks seamless. So you just want to go in by dipping the hair in. I made sure I opened up all my bundles so all the hair could take, and you just want to dip in and out and in and out. It is a little bit of a rigorous process because if you want your color to be very vibrant, you may have to go over it a couple times, like you'll see me do that. So as you can see, I just added more dye in to make sure that the color was vibrant. And then just go in, dip in and out and in and out and in and out, and just like open up your frontal and make sure that all the hair is taken. But if you're gonna do a patch color, just be careful that you don't get your patch at the front. I just dip my bundles in and out and in and out, and as you can see, the color's like a little bit more vibrant. But just make sure you open up your bundles, because sometimes the bundles, not all the hairs can catch the dye, so make sure you open up the bundles. It's really like a repetitive process. Just keep dipping and keep adding dye until you feel like your color's bright enough. I feel like this is the easiest way to dye 613 hair. Like, it's not messy at all. Like, my bowl didn't get stained, anything like that. When I conditioned the hair afterwards, like, there was only a little bit of color that ran out and the hair stayed vibrant. So this is the color that I got afterwards. So as you can see, like, there's different types of tones of blue in the hair. So I love that about the watercolor hair. Stay tuned, because you're gonna see me get my hair installed, and like, this is the first time I allowed someone else to install my hair, so that was really exciting. The girl done such a good job. So stay tuned for that video. Bye.